1, 2, 1. Dances from the Shooting Stars book, and I would like you to practice with me that you play the first fingers on the D string a little bit higher than the first fingers on the E string. The first fingers on the A string are also in their normal position, shall we say, so on the B. So on the D and A strings your first fingers are in the same place, but not on the E string, there your first finger is back. So let's practice E and then F, the first finger on E. Here we go, E. And again. One more time. And now let's practice A to B, which is the A string and then one finger on A. But then my first finger on A is in a little bit higher position than where you've just placed your first finger on the E string. And same on D. Now take a look at bar 13 for me. And in bar 13, we come across the first finger on the E string first, so that's when you pull your first finger back, and then the first note of bar 14 is the first finger in its normal place on the A string. So let's just practice this section, bar 13 and 14. Here we go, 1 and. Let's do that again. And. That was very nice, well done. Now we're having a look at the repeat section. So that is bar 27. And what I'd like you to do is to leave your bow on the string while you've got the rest. So I'm actually starting on the upbeat to the repeated section. So we're going here, up bow. Leave your bow bow down. Leave your bow down on the string. Now we need to take the bow and reset it to the middle because it's another down bow. But here you leave it down on the string. Leave it down. Well done. Now there's one more little thing that we can practice in this piece, and that is bar 25. Here we go, bar 25. And do that again for me. Well done. Now let's go from the beginning now and try playing it a little bit quicker. After 3. We're starting up bow at the point of the bow. 1, 2, 3.